Hello everyone, thank you for joining me once again, and today we're going to be unboxing the Target exclusive Predator with a t-shirt combo that I got in the mail. Before I get to that, I want to say thank you to all the subscribers. Thank you for everyone who watches my videos. I'm almost at 1,400. I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Once I hit 1,400, I'm only 9. I think as of the video, I'm only 9 away from 1,400. So I want to be a little over 14 for a little buffer. But I want to do a giveaway for 1,400 subscribers. So on the road to 1,500, guys. So couldn't have done it without your support and your love. So I do appreciate that. So I will be doing a giveaway at 1,400. So check that one out in my next video. I'll be discussing that one. But in the meantime, before that video drops tomorrow, if you guys can help me out and spread the word, spread the love, and you know, if you're not subscribed and you're watching this video, I just need 9 of you to subscribe. So and support me, and that allows me to continue to do what I love doing. So thank you guys for that. Before we get into the Predator pop, check out this awesome pop. I got some cool pops that dropped. The Reaper at Walmart, and the bonus, it's in great condition. So I ordered this one online. They are available right now, by the way, online at walmart.com. And it came in a box with tons of bubble wrap. And I was very pleased. Finally, Walmart did a good job shipping something in good shape. So I don't like to take a lot of my pops out. You guys know this. If you're new to my channel, I don't do this too often, but I do want to take the Reaper out. Dude looks sick. Look at the way that, how it just flew. Oh my god, that's so sick. Anyways, this is one of my favorite characters from Overwatch. I am a huge Overwatch fan. Unfortunately, I am not any good at shooter games, so I don't play Overwatch, but I love to watch people play Overwatch. And I could watch people play Overwatch for hours. So really cool. I love the characters. I love the Funko Pops of Overwatch. So really cool stuff. That is the Reaper. Again, you can get him at walmart.com. I believe he's like $9. And if you deliver it to your store, your Walmart near you, it's a free shipping. So that's what I did. I ordered 2 of these guys because with Walmart, in my experience, I always order 2 of everything, just in case one comes damaged, I can return it. But I was in luck. Both came in great shape. So there is the Reaper. We're going to get to the Alien unboxing. I just want to show you this one. Got this one at Best Buy. T51 Power Armor. These are in Best Buys right now. There's a bunch of different versions of T51. I have probably 4 or 5 of them. So Fallout's another cool game. I don't play. I'm going to tell you guys right now, in case you haven't heard me say it before, the only games that I play is like Mortal Kombat, Injustice, and Diablo 3. I mean, I played Diablo 1 and 2 and they were awesome, but Diablo 3, and I know that's an older game. But those are the only games I play. And of course, old school, I got Legend of Zelda, you know, Mario Brothers, all the old stuff. All right, this one dropped today, at least in my area. Cruella in a car, Disney villains. How awesome is that? So I'm going to try to get a good angle. And you can see her, there we go. Look at that face. That is a mean mug coming at you. That is what I call panic on the highway or aggressive driving. She's got some issues. They should not have given her a driver's license. Revoke her license immediately. Revoke it. Awesome Funko Pop, guys. I don't know if this is considered a ride. Funko rides. I'm assuming it would be. Doesn't say rides anywhere on it though. Oh, there it does. Never mind. Yep, right there. Funko rides. So Cruella in a car, and then let's see if I can get a good angle of the car. There you go. That's pretty decent. So yeah, really cool pop. Got it at Hot Topic because it's a Hot Topic exclusive. By the way, if you're a Lord of the Rings fan or Batman fan, on Hot Topic right now, like live right now, there is just type in Lord of the Rings Funko Pop and you'll get the king riding some demon or something. It's like a cool thing, and it's on sale 20% off today. And then, I'm not sponsored by anybody, I'm just letting you know there's some cool pops. So there's a cool Lord of the Rings pop. It's like $23, and then there's the Batman pop with Batman and the Joker, and the Batman's got blood coming out of his nose, and the Joker's like off, you know, almost falling off the edge of the roof. So they got that movie moment available in stock, back in stock at HotTopic.com. So check those out. Just letting you guys know in case you want to get them. I went ahead and ordered both of those myself. Check this out. Man, oh man. I found this at Walmart. And finally, I got some of the, you know, I got Wonder Woman's truck and Poison Ivy and all the other ones that they dropped. Now we get to the big stuff. Batman himself. And I'm sorry for the glare, guys, but look at that car. Check me out on Instagram, Forever Freaky Funko. And you'll see sweet pics of, not my ceiling fan, which that is right there, but you'll see sweet pics of this vehicle. I'm not taking it out of the box because it's strapped down and everything. I keep these in box, but that is a sweet Batmobile. Let me turn it around for you, and that's what it looks like. You can even open the hood on it, which I won't do because I'm an inbox collector, but these are cool metallic metal die casts. So we got, yeah, that's a cool Batmobile. So you think that one's cool? How about this one? Check that one out. The Dark Knight Batman and Batmobile. That's the souped up tank one from Christopher Nolan's Batman. And that is super awesome. I'm trying to get good angles on this. Trying to find the perfect spot. But again, pics will be up on my Instagram without, you know, the glare so you can see it. But look at that bat. Look at that. Batman looks cool. And then the Batmobile. Christian Bale, my favorite Batman of all time. And that is one sick Batmobile. Again, these are at Walmart. And they're $20 each. And so those are the ones. Let me see if I can show them to you guys. This is going to eat up on my pocketbook, but look at that one. Look, Batman Forever. I need to get the camo one on the bottom. Look at that. The classic TV series Batman. Look at all these ones. So really, really, really cool set that they have. All the different versions. Going to take away all my money. And that one is sick right there. That's, God, I love that one. Batman Forever. All the different versions, man. So metals, die-cast, they are kicking butt making these awesome things. And I only find them at Walmart. I know Target sells them, but my Target doesn't sell a lot of them. So, but Walmart seems to always have these in stock. At least mine does. Now, we're going to wrap up the video, guys, with Translucent Predator. So, I just wish he had some blood on him. I know they already did that one. Or the, they have like two versions, I think, of him like that. I think one, no, there's an 8-bit one with blood, I believe. But anyways, here we go. This one's been out for a while. It's still, I got this one. It's a Target exclusive, so they still have this one. Target.com. So if you want it, go get it. But I didn't get this one before when it dropped. So I'm getting it now. The Target Predator Translucent. And he looks just like John Cena's Translucent. You can't see me. And you can't see the Predator. That was the whole purpose, right? The whole premise behind the movie when it first dropped was his invisibility. Still to this day, they added in there. But that is definitely one cool translucent. You can barely see it. Predator. So I'm going to take him out of the box. Get a better look at him real quick. Oh, nice and heavy. Let me see if he stands up without a stand. He does not. and I don't see a stand in here, so good thing I'm an inbox collector. But there he is. Really cool. Get his hair on the backside. Almost looks like it's made out of ice. It's a really cool Funko Pop, guys. Really love it. Again, this dropped a while ago, but I'm barely adding it to my collection now because I collect what I like. Which means I collect almost everything because there's not many things I do not like when it comes to Funko. So they take a lot of my money and I give them a lot of my money. So, and then it comes obviously with a t-shirt. I'll show you that before I wrap up the video. And they still have them, I believe, in all the sizes. So there's the Predator t-shirt. Looking cool. See it on one of my upcoming videos probably. That's it, guys. That's what I picked up. The unboxing of Predator with bonus. Does some cool stuff. Check out my Instagram so you can see pictures of these at Forever Freaky Funko. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I am coming out my next video. I'm going to talk about the giveaway I'm going to be doing for 1,400 subscribers. So it's going to be a mystery box. I will say that. It'll be 2 Funko Pops in the mystery box. It'll just be one mystery box with 2 Funko Pops, and the value of the mystery box will be $100. So 2 Funko Pops in the box, and they will equal $100 in value or more, but they'll be worth $100, not a piece, but for the set. So so that's going to be the giveaway. So I'll be talking about that in the video. Not going to really be showing you guys the Funko Pops because it is a mystery. So, and I'm not going to do a random comment picker. Okay, so I am going to do a wheel for that one. So, you know, we'll do an entry on that video. That video, the announcement video, is really, I'm announcing it now, but the video is going to be more for, if you leave a comment, I'm going to put your name into the wheel on the next video. So, and then whoever wins, I'm going to ship them the mystery box with 2 Funko Pops valued together at $100. So, and I'm going to do that for my 1,400 subscribers. So I'm almost there, guys. I need your support to help me get there. So if you're not subscribed, please hit that subscription button, hit the notifications, and as always, thumbs up if you like the content. And thanks, guys. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Please be kind to one another. And I will see you guys on the next video. Again, will be the giveaway video for 1,400. So once I hit it, I'll be able to add your name to a wheel on that video, the next video. And we'll be doing a wheel. And it will be elimination style. So the last person standing on the wheel. So we will have a bunch of deleted as you get deleted off the wheel. And only one remains. So we'll be last man standing. Or last woman standing. So enjoy the rest of your day, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.